To set corner action for bottom right, to do the double click function in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap interaction and dexterity. Scroll down the screen. Under mouse and physical keyboard section, tap auto action after pointer stop. Under corner action section, tap bottom right. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on offset next to double click to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on. Next, you can connect a USB or Bluetooth mouse with your phone. Once done connecting, now go to the screen where you can do a double click. As the example, we will use the double click function to zoom in a photo. To do so, open a photo in the gallery app. Next, hover and stop your mouse pointer on the bottom right corner of the screen and then bring the pointer to the photo to do the double click and zoom in the photo. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.